morning students. So today we will resume our discussion of this exercise 9a in which we are discussing about congruency of the triangles. So far we have discussed till question number 11th. Now let's discuss question number 12. It says in a triangle ABC. So first we will make a triangle ABC. Okay, this is our triangle ABC. Now what is given in this? AB equal to AC. So first we will write what is given. So when you see it is given that AB equal to AC. Then we have to prove that altitude AD is median. That means I am going to make a line segment from A to C, and what else is given? It is given that AD is altitude. Altitude means AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so these two things are given. Altitude means this is perpendicular. So we have to prove what we have to prove. We have to prove that AD is median also. Okay, now in order to prove that the line segment is a median of the triangle, what we have to prove? We have to prove that BD equal to DC. So actually this we have to prove, that BD equal to DC. Now let's start. So first, likewise we will take the two triangles in triangle BAD and CAB. BAD and triangle CAB. Okay, these two triangles we will take. Then if you see carefully, BA and CA, this is BA and this is CA, it is given as equal. So we will write BA equal to CA, and in the bracket we will write given. Okay, so these two sides are equal. Then AD and AB we have CD. Then AD and AD are common side, so we can write these are common side. Okay, so these two sides are equal. This is the common side. Then what we know, this angle is 90 degree. So we can write angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, and in the bracket we will write why they are equal, because they both are 90 degree. So we can say that triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD, and which criteria they are following? It is following, see, it is a 90 degree angle and it is the hypotenuse. So this is by which criteria? RHS. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse and one side. So we can say that BD is equal to CD by CPCT. So this means BD is a median. This means AD is a median. Okay, so like this. So for proving a line segment to be the median, what we need to prove? We just need to prove these two parts are equal to each other. So they become equal to each other, hence AD is a median. Okay, so let's discuss one more question. So in this question, what is given? AB is equal to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is D, AD is perpendicular to BC. What else is given? It is given that BE, so this is E, it bisects angle B. That means which two angles are equal? Angle ABE is equal to angle EBD. So these two angles are equal. And what else is given? EF is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so these are the things which are given. AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal to each other. Then this is the bisector. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AB. So what I need to prove? I need to prove that BD is equal to CD. So how we can prove BD equal to CD? What I will do? So what I need BD and CD. So I will join EC. So I will join E and C. Okay. After joining EC, if you see very carefully, this is 90 degree, and what we know in triangle ABC, okay, so we will take in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC. It is given as equal. Then what else we know? We know that AD is perpendicular. That means angle BDA is equal to angle CDA. They are 90 degree. Okay. Then AD is equals to AD, like we have done in the previous question, common side. So AB equal to AC, this angle is equal to this angle by 90 degree, and AD is the common side. So we can write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which criteria again? Right angle and hypotenuse, that is by RHS criteria. So we can say that BD equal to CD by CP CT. Okay. Similarly, for this is our first part. For second part, what triangles you can take? We can take in triangle BFE and triangle BDE. So when you take these two triangles, what we know in this? Angle EBF is equal to angle EBD. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle, and this we have already taken, so I will write it as given. Then again this angle F is equal to angle D, because they are 90 degree angle. Then if you see very carefully, this is the common side, so we can write BE equal to BE, that is common. So now we have three things which are equal to each other. So we can write now, I am writing it here. So we can say that triangle BFE is congruent to triangle BDE by which criteria? This is angle side, by angle side. So that means BF ED equal to EF by CP CT. Okay. So these are the two proofs that we have to do, and this we have done again by using the congruency of the triangles. So first these two sets of triangle, then we have taken these two sets of triangle, and by looking at the given things, we are able to prove them as congruent. So these two sides are equal to each other by CPCT of the congruency property. Okay, let's discuss the last question of this exercise, question number 15. So using the information in the figure, so when the arrows are like this, that means AB is parallel to EF. Again these two angles are given as equal to each other, so I have written. Then AC equal to ED is given as equal. So these three things are given in this question. Now what we have to prove in this? We have to prove AB equal to FE, and second thing we have to prove BD equal to CF. Okay. So in order to prove these two things, what I am going to do, I am again going to take the triangles and we will use the properties. Like I am taking triangle ACB and triangle EDF. Okay, so these are the two triangles that is of our concern, ACB and EDF. Now what we know? We know that from here AC equal to ED. So I can write AC equal to ED very easily given. Then see this angle C and angle D, they are equal. So I can write angle ACB is equal to angle EDF. Again they are given as equal. Okay. Now using the property of parallel lines, what we can do? We can prove these two angles as equal to each other. Okay. This angle is equal to this angle. Which type of pair they are forming? They are forming a alternate interior angle pair. So I am going to write angle CBA is equal to angle DFE, and the reason is alternate interior angle. Okay, alternate interior angle they are forming. Hence we can say that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle EDF, and let's check the criteria. This is angle side. So by angle side. Okay. Now these two are congruent to each other. So we can write AB is equal to FE by CP CT. AB equal to FE by CP CT. Now what we have to prove? BD equal to CF. So for that what I am going to do, I will write BC equal to DF by CP CT. So if you see carefully BC is made up of BD plus DC. So let's separate it, BD plus DC. Similarly DF is made up of DC plus CF. DC plus CF. So these two will cancel. So we will get BD equal to CF. Okay. So like this. So we got BD equal to CF, and this is our first part, AB equal to FE. So you just look at the triangles, write the given things, then choose the triangle. Then from the chosen triangle, take out the given things, and from the given information like AB parallel to EF, I have taken out the information of alternate interior angle. Then you will prove the triangles as congruent, and then you can prove the remaining sides or angles which are not equal to each other as equal by using the CPCT criteria. So this is the end of this exercise 9A. In the next video we will start with the exercise 9B.